Still paying for AI tools for writing, image generation, or market research? Stop. You might be wasting hundreds of dollars a month because Google just unleashed an entire AI ecosystem that costs absolutely nothing and can replace virtually everything you're currently using. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to build complex, multi-tool AI workflows for market research, creative content generation, and automated tasks, all using Google's free AI stack like Gemini, Nano Banana, and Lyria 3. Let's be honest, the AI landscape can feel like a subscription trap. You pay for ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for images, a separate tool for research, and another for automation. This fragmented approach isn't just expensive, it creates workflow bottlenecks. You're constantly copying and pasting, losing context, and ultimately losing time.
Imagine a world where your AI tools talk to each other, sharing context and generating outputs seamlessly, all under one roof and without a single monthly bill. That's what Google's free AI stack makes possible. We're talking about a unified, zero-cost Google ecosystem that integrates all these functions seamlessly into one powerful workflow. So, where do we begin this AI revolution? Your central command center is Gemini. Just navigate to gemini.google.com. If you have a Google account, you're already set up. No special downloads, no complex installations. It's that simple. Now, to unlock some truly advanced capabilities, you'll also want to explore Google AI Studio. You can find it at makersuite.google.com. This gives you direct access to models like Lyria 3 for audio generation and a deeper look at what powers Gemini. Here's a crucial point. Don't just treat Gemini as a basic chatbot. Many people stop there.
Its real power lies in its deep integrations across the Google ecosystem, your Gmail, Drive, Docs, and soon even Calendar and Maps. Get familiar with these connections because that's where the magic truly happens. Now for the core technique. Let's build a multi-stage marketing campaign workflow completely free using Google's AI. Step 1. Deep market research. Go to gemini.google.com. We need context for our campaign. Let's say we're launching a new eco-friendly water bottle. Type this exact prompt. Perform deep market research on a new eco-friendly reusable water bottle, focusing on target demographics, competitive landscape, and key selling points. For context, refer to my recent emails and documents in Google Drive related to HydroFlow project. Step 2. Interactive presentation outline. Now, let's turn that raw research into something digestible. In the same Gemini chat, type, convert this market research report into an interactive presentation outline suitable for Google Slides or Canvas, highlighting key findings and actionable insights. Step 3. Campaign visuals with Nano Banana. This is the part most people think requires a paid image generator. Not anymore. Google's Nano Banana, often integrated seamlessly within Gemini for image generation, is here. In Gemini, type, generate 5 vibrant social media images for the launch of the HydroFlow eco-friendly water bottle, focusing on sustainability and active lifestyles based on the market research findings. Example output. Gemini, leveraging Nano Banana, will produce 5 distinct image concepts, ready for your social media channels. You can refine the prompt for specific styles, aspect ratios, or color palettes. Step 4. Craft outreach and social copy. Time to write compelling content. We'll use Gemini's Gems feature, custom instructions for specific roles. Go to Create Gemini Gem in the menu and define a creative director persona. Give it instructions like, you are a professional creative director specializing in direct response marketing. Then, using that creative director gem, return to your chat and type, as the creative director, draft 3 compelling cold outreach emails and 5 engaging Instagram captions for the HydroFlow eco-friendly water bottle launch, incorporating the key selling points from the market research. Example output? Gemini, acting as your creative director, will deliver high-quality, conversion-focused copy for both email and social media, perfectly aligned with your campaign goals. The key variable for best results: continuously refine your prompts by asking Gemini to act as market analyst, copywriter, social media manager, to leverage its specialized capabilities for incredibly tailored outputs. Let's push this further. Power user trick 1. Automate recurring content. Imagine Gemini sending you a weekly industry trends report. Go into Gemini, find the Extensions menu, and look for Scheduling capabilities, or simply prompt, "Schedule a weekly report on industry trends for eco-friendly products, delivered to my Gmail every Monday at 9 a.m., summarizing key news and competitor activities." Google's AI is rapidly integrating these automation features, turning Gemini into your personal, proactive assistant. Power user trick 2. Build an AI podcast. Want to create a podcast without hiring a composer or voice artist? Use Lyria 3, accessible via Google AI Studio, makersuite.google.com, to generate background music or even voiceovers. First, prompt Gemini. Write a 5-minute podcast script about the benefits of sustainable living, including an intro, 3 main points, and a call to action. Then, take that script to Lyria 3 to generate accompanying royalty-free music or even a synthetic voice reading the script. You can experiment with different styles and instruments. Combination with another tool, Notebook LM. For even deeper document analysis, integrate Notebook LM. Upload all your market research, product specs, and competitor reports into Notebook LM. It creates a conversational AI layer over your documents. Then, ask Notebook LM precise questions to refine your understanding. Finally, bring that refined understanding back to Gemini. For example, based on the insights from Notebook LM about competitor pricing, refine a marketing strategy for HydroFlow, emphasizing our unique value proposition. This creates an incredible feedback loop for ultimate precision. What does this all mean for you? A complete, multi-channel marketing campaign plan with detailed research, interactive presentation outlines, vivid social media visuals, and compelling email and social copy. All generated in under an hour using 0 paid tools. You've just sidestepped potentially hundreds of dollars per month in subscriptions and dozens of hours per week in manual tasks. Here are use cases you can try today. Content creation, blogs, articles, video scripts. Deep research, academic papers, business intelligence, competitive analysis. Business planning, strategic outlines, pitch decks. Personal assistance, organizing tasks, summarizing information. Learning new skills, explaining complex topics, creating study guides. Even building a simple website, generating content and design ideas. The possibilities are truly endless. The future of AI is not just powerful, it's accessible. Google's free AI stock represents a monumental shift, providing a unified, intelligent ecosystem that integrates seamlessly with your existing workflow. We've just scratched the surface. Keep an eye out for advancements like Google Flow and Pomeli, which promise even deeper automation and multi-agent workflows within the Google ecosystem. Google Omni is also on the horizon, hinting at an even more unified and intuitive AI experience. You have the tools right now to transform your productivity and creativity without spending a dime. Start experimenting, start building, and unleash your ultimate free AI powerhouse. Subscribe to AI Tips for more practical AI tutorials and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into Google's upcoming AI assistant that learns your habits and automates your entire calendar.